Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make clove oil. This is an authentic way of making clove oil. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe and like this video, and do not forget to turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe icon. So obviously the first ingredient you need is your clove buds. These are dried clove buds, and the next thing you want to do is to transfer your clove buds into your blender, into this grinder. This is a dry grinder, okay? And the next you want to do now is to add any carrier oil of your choice. Carrier oil helps the nutrients or properties in the clove buds transfer into the oil, okay? They collect the nutrients out of the clove buds. So you could use coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil, even avocado oil can do. These are all carrier oils. So the next thing you want to do is to cover up the blender and blend this over and over again on your blender with your electricity. So when you're done blending the clove buds, it's all broken down, the particles are entirely broken down. You need to filter. So to filter this clove oil, I'll be using a wick cap. This helps collect only the oil and trap the residues in the cup. So this is the oil. I blended over and over again. That's why you can see that it is releasing smoke when I opened up the blender. So you want to filter the clove and collect just the oil, the extract, and discard the chaff. So guys, overlook the cracked voice. I'm down on a cold, but I'm on medications now, so I'm getting better. Another thing I want to state here is that before making clove oil, if you want to get authentic clove oil within 25 minutes, you need to be roasting your clove buds. Okay, I forgot to mention that, but I thought I mentioned it real quick. For you to get authentic clove oil within the first 25 minutes, you need to roast your clove buds. And I won't fail to mention that there are three methods of making these clove buds. The first is the hot pressed, the second is the cold pressed, and the third is this my method. Okay, the hot pressed just involves you blending the clove, adding your carrier oil, and using a double boiling method to extract the oil. And the cold press involves you grinding the clove and letting it sit in your carrier oil for close to 1 month, and afterwards filtering and collecting the oil. And this my method just includes or involves roasting the clove buds for a maximum of 10 to 15 minutes and grinding in your carrier oil and filtering. Okay, so these are the three methods through which you can extract or produce clove oil. So the next thing you want to do is to preserve this oil, or package it. So I'm packaging this clove oil into my packaging bottle, and from this bottle I can collect the oil I want to use on my hair, I want to use on my skin. Clove has numerous benefits on the hair and skin, so I thought I'd share this tutorial with you guys on how to make this clove oil. In coming videos, I'll show you how I incorporate it into my hair care regimen. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.